That's a good idea. Can I ask you a question? I don't know whether you're allowed to answer this or not, but you are allowed to cough instead of saying yeah. Is he a paedophile? Okay.
It's an interesting question, and all I can say is that I am investigating unrelated matters to that, but they require that I examine his computers and phones, and I don't know what I'm going to find on them.
Oh, right. Okay.
I'm not saying that he...
yeah.
I'm not investigating of a sexual nature.
No, no. Yeah.
I don't know. But ultimately, if he gets charged with something,
yeah.
in the public arena.
Yeah, okay. I just wanted to ask that. I'm going to take that as a no at the moment, but I could read between the lines.